Before the invention of paper, the human cost of recording and dissemination is beyond imagination. Ancient Egyptians relied on papyrus along the Nile, fragile and fragile. European monasteries copied a Bible out of hundreds of lambskins. The ancient Chinese carved documents on bamboo and wood. Qin Shi Huang's daily metals weighed 60 kilograms. Civilization struggles with such a burden. The turning point came in the Eastern Han court in 105 AD. An official named Cai Lun did not use rare materials, but instead turned his attention to common waste: rags, pockmarks, old fishing nets, through a set of exquisite crafts such as composting, hammering, and copying. He reweaves these discarded plant fibers in water. After drying, they became smooth and flexible sheets. This invention, called papermaking, cost less than a tenth of silk, but it was strong and durable. Han He Emperor praised it highly and ordered its promotion. Everyone followed suit. The paper from the Han Dynasty in the Dunhuang caves, even after 2,000 years, can still be folded without breaking, silently telling the original excellent craftsmanship. This fiber revolution did not stop in the East. It's like a silent ripple, and spread slowly to the world. In the 3rd and 4th centuries, papermaking was introduced to Korea and Vietnam, promoting the copying of Buddhist scriptures. In the 7th century, caravans of the Silk Road reached Samarkand. The Arab world established its first paper-making center outside of East Asia. In the 12th century, Arabic people introduced papermaking to Spain. Europe's millennial era of parchment is finally coming to an end. By the 14th century, the Italians improved a large paper machine powered by water, accumulated the most important material foundation for the upcoming Renaissance: cheap and abundant paper. Gutenberg's metal movable type meets a steady stream of paper, which gave birth to the first large-scale information revolution. Newspapers, paper money, scientific blueprints, official documents, and so on emerged quietly. Nowadays, the output of a modern mechanical paper machine in one day is comparable to the labor of decades of ancient workshops. However, in the present, when digital screens try to replace everything, the value of paper is being re-examined. Studies show that the memory retention of handwritten notes is much higher than that of keyboard input. Under the management of sustainable forestry, paper is a recyclable and green material. The carbon footprint of manufacturing and processing electronic devices is often overlooked. Paper has never really become obsolete. It still silently conveys ideas and connecting time and space.